Welcome back to Growing Up Orlando. Today we're at the Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
All right, and we're going to do things a little bit differently because they have so many rides.
So many.
So we have our top five ranked, which we debated.
We did.
These are ranked in our top five.
Yes.
We have 2 honorable mentions that are great choices for you. We highly recommend them. And we have 1 to avoid. It's just because it's a waste of your time.
Don't even go.
All right.
Don't even look at it.
All right, guys, you ready to shrink down? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. There we are. And we are looking at number 5.
Number five.
Coming in 5th place, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the
It's a classic.
It's a classic.
It is a classic, and that's why we chose it as one of our top choices.
Definitely.
That's right.
And also for people who don't like super action rides, like Terry.
Yeah.
And you get Johnny Depp in there.
Yes, you do.
You do.
So this is the beginning, and they have the audio animatronics everywhere in Pirates.
Which I have no idea how you got all of this in taping.
Yes. There's Johnny Depp.
There he is. It's a nice chill ride, like a lazy river on a boat.
It's about 12 minutes long, so it's a nice cool break from the day.
Especially in the building.
Oh yeah.
They need cocktails.
Nice. Oh, that would be amazing. Pirate ride with a cocktail.
Yes.
That would be nice, although I just don't see that happening.
No, it's not. It was, like I said, nice and cool in there. Nice lazy.
All right, here we are. And
Number 4.
Number 4.
Haunted
in 4th
Mansion.
place, the Haunted Mansion.
I really like this ride. I really did, surprisingly.
Now, please forgive me, but the video for this is not the best. The audio is crystal clear.
Yeah.
But it is not as dark as my camera settings are showing.
No.
So please
Wasn't this a ride that you used to work on?
I used to be a Haunted Mansion butler.
Yes, you did. Yes,
That's why I feel extra bad that I filmed it so horribly. Thank you for pointing that out, Terry. And here we are at the cars,
We actually did
which
the
you can
cars.
barely see, but trust that they're there.
Yes. They are. They are two to a car. That was cool. So that was cool.
It is.
Very roomy.
It's such a cool ride, and that's why they're in our top 5. There's the Evil Bride. And here we are,
Here we are. It was quick. It was very quick, but like I said, it was power pack. Okay, here we go. We're coming into number 3.
3rd place, Splash
Mountain.
Mountain.
Baby.
Splash Mountain.
Okay.
Get ready to get wet.
First of all, if you sit in the back of the log, you won't get wet.
Agreed.
I promise you. You might get some water vapor.
Agreed. Mike,
Okay.
me and him argued about this whole entire thing. I did not get wet sitting in the back, so
I got some
And
papers.
the
Thank you,
reason
Mike.
why we highly recommend Splash Mountain is it's a fun ride. It's got music. It has the characters.
Yes.
It's a little controversial. Terry is not a huge fan of Splash Mountain because of the slavery issue. And that's why they're not releasing the video like they might have done with all the other videos. But that doesn't take away from the fact that it's a fun ride.
the value of the ride. Yes.
It's cool. It's relaxing.
It's fun for the kids.
It's fun for the kids.
Yes, although we're a grown-up.
Yeah. So
All right, and there we are. We're going to be going up the hill.
yeah, this drop was a little worrisome for me. I was like, okay, well, you and I will
Here we
definitely
go.
be fighting.
Look at that.
Oh,
you can
boy.
see the Space Mountain.
I knew I was getting
It
wet.
was.
There you go. So you saw just a little bit of water. It's
You
not
did.
that bad.
It's
It
not
really
bad at
is.
all.
The people in the front, though, don't sit in the front seat.
You don't want to get wet. Front is not.
If you want to get wet, the front is the opposite.
Yes, if you want to cool off, by all means. And
Right.
here we are. We're at Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain.
This was dope.
Number 2. This was
It's
my,
a really fun roller
This
coaster.
this was hard between 1 and 2, to be honest with you, but I enjoyed Thunder Mountain.
Here we go.
heavily. This is where Terry was like,
I was like, Terry, let go, and Terry was like,
very scenic, very. It was a very scenic ride.
There's
it really
Terry's
was.
hands tightly on
Yeah,
the
I-
wheel.
holding on. Look at that death grip. Look, that's me. Let go, Terry.
But it is an easy roller coaster. Children ride this roller coaster because it's an easy ride.
It is.
But it's fun.
It is fun.
Oh,
It's
and
actually
don't forget, for the most thrilling ride, sit in the back. That's the part that gets whipped around the most.
And we were in the
Yes,
back.
it does.
Thanks, Mike.
That's
we were
why
in the
we
back.
sat in the front.
Yes.
I mean, sat in the back, yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's the end of Thunder Mountain. So that means
Our
round
number
two.
one. Our number one. Number one.
Uno.
Space
Mountain.
Mountain.
Dude, this was fire.
Okay,
Yeah,
and I put
this
this
was-
part in because you have to use your Fast Pass for this
Yes.
or be there at entrance. Otherwise, it has an 80, 90 plus minute wait.
Yes.
Good
And that's
luck.
early in the morning.
Yes,
Yeah,
so
that's by the time you
Fast
get there.
Pass
Yeah.
or first ride.
Yes.
That's it. That's your choice.
space.
All right, it's another ride that's very dark inside. The filming of this, I could not videotape because it's pitch black, and that's what makes it so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the unexpected, not knowing when the drops are going to happen.
This is the beginning.
This is the beginning, yeah.
So you can hear people screaming, but seriously, it's dark inside. And
But it's
then now
very
we're at the
smooth, though.
end.
It's
It
very
is.
smooth.
Well,
Yes.
it's smooth.
For me,
Yeah.
I only did this twice, and it's very smooth.
I enjoy Space.
All right, so that was our top 5. Here's another great choice. We highly recommend Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear.
Ray cheated on this ride.
Honorable mention. Buzz Lightyear for sure.
Yeah. It has a gun for each of the passengers.
Oh man, let me tell you, I kicked butt on Buzz Lightyear.
Ray cheated on the ride.
No, I didn't.
Because I was
No,
like
I
at 50,000, and then all of a sudden Ray was at 200,000. I don't know what happened.
Okay, and talking about scores, one of the tips is the further that the Z is from you, the higher the
score.
The score.
Yes.
So try to hit those Z's that are further from you.
And you can control the little cart too.
Yes.
So-
Yes.
You can turn it left and right.
Turn it left, right, and
So so you see where the Z's are.
Yes.
And you can hit a Z more than once. So if you have your gun centered on it, keep on shooting.
Yes.
Okay, now we have Mickey's PhilharMagic as another great choice because it's your touch of magic. It has all the characters in it. You don't have to wait in line for riding the rides
Agreed.
like Peter Pan and some of those others. It has all these famous characters in it. It's in 3D, a
sit
great
down.
theater.
For me-
you don't have to wait for it.
Yeah, for me it was great because you don't have to wait long. You're able to sit down. It's cool, so it gets your mind back to all the mayhem and stuff that you may have end up hitting some of the other.
It was a
rides.
nice ending.
It was a good ending.
for
Yeah.
us. Now this is the ride.
Ooh,
This
no
is
way.
Snow
No,
White's roller coaster.
No.
With the reason why we're saying, look, I am showing you the best parts of it in our minute-long video because that's how long it is. You're out there for maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes tops. This is the height of the hill here. You see how low this hill is, and it has it's fun, but it's not worth it if you have to have your fast pass 30 days out or wait in an incredibly long line or go running there at the entrance. It's just not worth it.
You will be disappointed compared to Space Mountain and Thunder
Yeah, the
Mountain.
mountain.
Yes, it doesn't compare.
It does not compare.
So
It's
don't
like a
waste
hill.
your time.
Yes.
Here it is from the outside. So this is the most thrilling part, and just watch it. Here it is. It's a tight turn.
That's
it goes
it.
over the bridge. That's it.
Yep.
That's it.
Then you get off.
Well, then we have Snow White at the end.
Snow White, yes.
So it stops in front of Snow White
Those are some
dancing
tall dwarves.
Damn.
Like,
Well,
why
because-
are the dwarves bigger than Snow White?
because they're piled up on top of each other.
Our top 5 and 5 is right over there.
And we also have a playlist for our top 5 and 5 right down here.
And remember, give us a like because it helps people to find our videos.
Subscribe.
Subscribe would be
definitely.
great also.
Yes.
Drop a comment if you like the video and let us know.
Yeah. Do you agree with our top 5? All right, guys. Bye-bye. See you.